All right, weekly outlook for Saturday, June 8th. So we're going to be looking at from the 10th to, the 15th. Looking at Apple here. So we've been bearish since May, but now we've been bullish these past 2 weeks, right? So we had this move down. If you look on the overall time frame, it broke this structure, and then it also broke this lower high. So we had like this move here, and then this move, then this move down. So if we break below here, expect price to go back to, look for price to really, if Apple has bad earnings, to come back to 140s for sure. But we could be in this overall move, right? Like 1, 2, and now if you measure this move up, right, from what, 140 to 216, we could go from 170 to easily back to the highs, easily back up to the highs at 240s. So that's the highest really all time, right? So you just think what Apple's doing in general, just in this uptrend, really. We're not going to get really a retest unless it makes what? A monthly W. But it's going up at least to these highs. So that's Apple for the week. So for the week, right, we had this. You really wanted to break above here to get this move down. So you wanted to break above here if you're really looking for buys. And then you would widen this probably. Because it could come down, right, and then go up. But right now, for short term, if it breaks that, expect to pull back. Then expect like a W. So she can do 2 things, right? Well, 3 things. Go up. For that to happen, we see a flag pattern. So it's still bullish. Nothing about this says rejected going down, right? We didn't get this M. If we get an M here, we'll take her down. So you just want to see what she says, right? There, you get a head and shoulders, like in the lower time frames for sure. So here we just got a flag. If it gives us rejection, you take her down. If not, then you look for a buy, right? Unless it broke this down here. So right now I'm looking for a buy up. If it can, this can kind of start a trend line. 2 touches initiates it, but it's not validated yet. But right now momentum is bullish for sure. So this could be an inverted too, right? So it could come down here. But inverted, you like to see this shoulder be a little higher so that you know where your normal momentum's here and then come down. We'll just read what she's doing. All right, we've been in sells up here at the reversal area. We've been in buys down here. You see the inverted. So you see how it's not perfect, but like it's there. So what does it look like for engulfings? We had a gap up. So no, just pay attention that we had a gap. We had multiple gaps up. So you know the momentum's there. All right, so let's fly through these. So gold for the week has just been bullish. I know I did take a sell on gold, so I lost on gold, but also profit on some gold. So let's see what we expect for this week. So these are just weekly lines. I like the trap price. And why it's not like respected, because when price isn't respected signs, you know it can only do so much. So clearly, uptrend, valid, downtrend, invalidated. So bullish, right? So overall, you see this is a lot stronger than this week formation here. So yeah, we're looking for buys if she broke this high. So gold looking for buys until you see a reversal, right? So on the intraday, because nobody here that's listening is really holding these trades. So you're gonna look for a buy until you see a reversal pattern. So you could get an M here. Right, you could get an M here. So you know this is major right here. So it's gonna close up here if it needs to reverse. I mean, that's not really an M. It really looks like a test of here. There's probably some wicks here, right? So you gotta retest it this right here. Flag pattern. I mean, why not just do this? So we said we were looking for buys. You want to buy low, so you want to buy down here. So you're really looking for price around here, right? Because this already got retested here. So I like to buy here in gold. So we'll draw the channel, right? Something like that could occur. Very easy. So she's gonna, I mean, we do have a head and shoulders here. So right now it's short-term sells. Wait for the lower time frame to say buy. Right? So she's either gonna break this and let's go, or she's just gonna stay down here. And this could be an inverted, right? So looking for, this could be it to go up. So wait for what she does down here. Yeah, let's see what she does down here. So you can put like a level right here. This was already retested. Broken. Yeah, we'll watch. Right at 1340. See what she does. We'll put a nice level at 1340. So we'll buy zone. Right, because that could be that inverted. But she could just go down this channel and we'll buy her down here. Break that and just go all the way up. Because right now, right, 15-minute head and shoulders, clear as day. Got an M. Retest, right? If you watch the wicks, retest there. So she's selling, but we want to buy. So let's just find a buy in gold. So you got a W that wasn't broken, right? So we got these lows. We got these lows. So let's see what she does here. We got this line, right? So that looks like a flag. We already had this zone here, so now it's major. Oh yeah, I mean you wanna buy US 30. There's no reason to sell. This could be a buy zone, this could be a buy zone. That's a nice zone to buy off of. So US 30, I'm not looking for sells. She'd have to break, here. She does need to break that though. All right, we got a weekly engulfing that closed. That was a weekly candle. There's momentum going up. So let's buy US 30. So I just like to keep track of what we have going on here. So Apple, short-term buy or sell channel. Big buy incoming. Gold. Actually, I think that was gold. Gold, we're looking for buys. Well, we wanted to break this, right? We wanted to break 192. Yeah. We want that buy. So we're looking for buys. I got momentum, but as we spoke about, this could just be that move down. So we have rejection on the H4, but we have the flag. So right now we're looking for buys, unless we get a reversal. And unless reversal. So US 30 buy. Look for buys. S&P 500. We shall see. So yeah, I mean, we got this push up star pattern on the daily. This was broken. So find a buy zone that you like. Here's my dog Stella. Stella, relax. So that was broken down here. So retested. Peter's tweaking out. I'm doing something. Hold on. So looking for buys on the SP. DX, bearish momentum. This was broken. Watch the pullback up here. And other than that, if you're looking at pairs, I know we bought EU. So look for buys, right, until you see an H4M. I am buying until I see an H4M. Or a head and shoulders. UJ, it's consolidating. You got this big M retesting above that neckline. There's also flags. Maybe you could come back here and sell and make like it inverted. We'll see. But I mean, there's no reason to buy unless like your strategy says this level at 108 is just a buy zone. I mean, you clearly get a rejection up. Clearly have a rejection up. I mean, right now it's 20 pips, so that's UJ, EJ, inverted, inverted. So we're buying her up to here. If you did like, from here to the neckline, it's up to 123.8. Should probably tap 124, why not? So look for buys on EJ and UJ. What is GJ? I mean, that's what I got. Looks like she's a buy possibly, but I suck at GJ. But like I said she was a sell here. Didn't take it. Probably bought there. I suck at GJ. But she moved. That's really my outlook for the week. AU and NU. We've been buying down here. So we're buying on NU. Look at this zone right here. Look at that W. Gotta get a new back foot soon. So last week we got this drop into a W. Breaking the high. Probably a flag pattern here. So let's buy her. Find a zone you like. We'll buy NU. Bought down here. It's got the W. Actually, looking at my phone, I did not buy NU. I lied. So we missed that W. We bought down here on the inverted. We bought this. We just held here. Alright. That's the weekly outlook. And now we'll see how we do. Apple, gold, US 30, S&P, same thing. UJ. So we should do a lot of buying. Market's got some momentum. And then news. This week. You can trade GJ on Monday. UJ, see if Wednesday looks like a buy. So we get that pullback for the first few days and then that big buy for W. All right, have a good one.